guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is me, chisomnwanganga. So guys, I'm very sorry for making this a voiceover, but let's go. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching my videos. So in this tutorial, from the title you already know what we're about to do. It's just an updo hairstyle. So as you can see from the video, I'm just trying to comb my hair, to smoothen it, to make it look bam. And now I'm using a thread. I love using threads because it makes it sturdy, it makes it lay flat the more, and though it can be tight, very tight, it can cause headaches. So make it as tight as you can carry. Don't make it too tight and it will make you have headaches. No, just make it as tight as your head can lift it, so you don't have headaches later on. So guys, I'm done tying it with the thread. So now I'm going to add a little attachment to give strength to the hair and to lengthen its length. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. I'm just trying to braid the attachment into my hair. It's quite easy. Just divide your hair into 3 parts, add the attachment. It's very easy. As you can see, the video is very detailed. Just see what I'm doing. And guys, please, if you see me looking at the other end, I'm actually looking at the mirror that's in front of me, so I do the hair very well. So guys, I added a little more of the attachments because the length of the previous one wasn't as long as I wanted it. So the trick is that the longer your attachment, the longer the ponytail is going to be, and you want it to be sleek because it's going to be really high. So I just had to add more to it. So we're done with the attachment. I'm using my Eco styling gel. I'll just be using very little. And guys, please try not to pack plenty. Please try not to pack plenty. I'm starting off by applying it with my hands, just to smoothing it. Later I'll be using a toothbrush or like a hairbrush to smoothing it. Don't add plenty on it, please, guys. Guys, I'm using my hairbrush now, my previous toothbrush, but it's a hairbrush now to smoothen it so it can lay more flat. And at this point you can create some edges, so to give it a look. But me, I didn't want any baby hairs or anything, so that's why I went straight like this. And guys, please, this is just me being myself. I'm not a hairstylist or anything. So guys, we'll be using this new Darling Impress, their Impress collection. You know, they rebranded, and this, their straight silky hair, it's so nice. It has a human hair feel, soft, and you can actually tongue it, and it's quite inexpensive, very cheap. It can give you that sleek high ponytail look that you deserve in a cheap way. You know, right here in this channel we do DIYs, and we just want it, like, we want to do it ourselves. So I just had to use this, and I so much love it. Like, it's so nice. It's very, very nice. The feeling is nice. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shred. It's just so nice. So guys, we'll also be using bobby pin, and this bobby pin will help the hair stay in place. It won't fall, because we'll not be using any bond or glue or anything. We'll just use these bobby pins. That's what we'll be using. So guys, we'll start by putting the bobby pins on the weft, just like this first. Then you can stick it to the end of the attachment, just like the way I'm showing you. It's very, very easy. Like, this hairstyle is my go-to look. Like, so nice, so nice, like really nice. Just like, it's very easy. Like, I made this hair like under, I would say, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So once the hair it's in, like, the bobby pin, it's inside the hair, you can now start rolling it just like this. So guys, just start sticking it round the attachment, just like the way I'm doing. Quite easy. Just be taking it round. Yeah. Just like that. So guys, just be taking it round like the way is in the video. That's the way I'm doing the video, just like this. And guys, just know that your arms are going to hurt while you're doing this look, because your arms are going to stay high for a little while, so it will get tiring at times. So anytime you see me bending down so much, you know I'm trying to rest my arms, because they were hurting me. So guys, when I got to this point, I needed to add some bobby pins there, just to help it stay in place, so you'll not be carrying your hair and to just flip out or drop out or fall. Like, it's not really look nice. So this is what I'm doing right here. I'm trying to just hold it in place. Even while I ended it, I also held it in place too. Trying to just brush it out here so it looks nice. If I add the second width. So guys, this is the second bond we'll be using. I started with the same thing, using the bobby pin to put it in place or hold it in place. Then started taking it around, rolling it around. Just so easy. So guys, I'm done with taking it round. Okay, I'm done with it. So I'm just trying to like hide the ends. So I just took like a small piece like I did, and I'll just take it round. Yeah. So guys, we are done. Jingles, who is this fine girl? This hair is looking so fine, like guys, like I can't even believe I'm the one that made this hair. Like it's so nice. This is something you can do in the comfort at the comfort of your home. Very easy and very quick. You just carry it and everybody will think like you went to a salon or something. So easy and very cheap. The hair is so nice, guys. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. To the next video. Love you guys. Bye guys.